All right, everybody, we are here playing with this USB cable from Nordos, the Valhalla 2 USB cable, and I am also playing with this one, which is the Shunyata Omega USB, connected into the Pro USB module from MSB. So this is going to change the presentation. I've already done the trials of both USB cables. There is a significant difference between both. I can tell you that at a high level, they're both phenomenal, and it really is system dependent. If you want a lot of detail and clarity, I would say I'd choose this. If you want a lot more soundstage, deeper impact, I would select the Omega from Shunyata. Just giving you guys a little bit of feedback here. I got more things coming. Stay tuned.